Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest release of Volunteer Impact, version 4.27. There are enhancements for our Standard and Enterprise Edition users. I'll go over the whole upgrade in more detail, but let's start with some highlights. Set a birthday message to display automatically to users when they log on. Include placeholders for first and last name in the subject of an email. Bulk deletion of shifts from the schedule. A Reports tab when viewing a user's profile, and a number of features and tweaks as suggested by all of you. Let's have a more detailed look at the new features and enhancements you'll find in this release. You can now set a birthday message that will display to users when they log on to myvolunteerpage.com, myvolunteerpage.mobi, or the time clock on their birthday. Placeholders can also be used so that you can display the user's first and last name in the greeting. As well as including a placeholder for a recipient's first and last name within the body of an email, you can now include these placeholders within the subject line of an email. In addition to being able to delete an individual shift while in the scheduled list or calendar view, administrators can now select multiple or all shifts for a day and delete them in bulk. When viewing a user's profile, there is now a Reports tab that shows all the reports and exports that should be visible for that person. This will enable administrators to generate these reports for their users, including those that are archived. Sending a bulk email now records a description of the search criteria used and shows it when viewing the email history. Mission statement options have been united so that the custom title and visibility can now be set on the same page as the text of the mission statement itself. When setting the restricted Timeclock IP address list, the basic functionality remains mostly the same, but instead of selecting an item and then clicking the Remove button, each item now has an X button that can be clicked to remove an IP address from that list. You can also type an IP address and press Enter to add it. Previously, this action would save the page. Mobile users can now click on an Info button beside an activity category when in their Opportunities page and see the description for that category. Volunteers can now see the date they joined an organization. This is visible within the Organizations menu option under My Profile or on the Contacts tab for mobile users. That's it for your introduction to this release. Be sure to check out your online help files for further details on all these new features and enhancements. Thanks for all the suggestions that help us make our software better every day.